What's up? Welcome back to the channel. I previously recorded this video on some of the future mods that I have in store for this bike, but for whatever reason the audio was trashed. So here goes to round two. If you watched my review video for the crater fairing, I had mentioned I saw another quick detach kit on Amazon. The one that I saw was designed for the gauntlet fairing, not the T-Sport fairing, which I have. But I think I'm going to order it anyway and see if I can get it to fit. I'll be sure to do a video on it, whether it works or not. I don't know when that one's going to come out, but this is mainly going to be the things that I'm planning on doing over the winter time. First on that list is probably going to be a cam. Now, I'm not sold on any particular brand of cam, any size cam. I'm mainly looking at the Screaming Eagle stuff, or possibly a Zippers cam. Now this bike, I did buy it with a street tuner on it. So after all that shit gets done, I'm going to have to take it and get it retuned, which is no biggie. Depending on what kind of power level we're at after that's said and done, is kind of going to dictate where I go from next, or what I do next. I would definitely like to do a chain drive kit on this bike, but that means I'd have to rip my damn primary apart again, and I've already done that once, doing the mid-control swap. If I'd have had the money when I did the mids, I probably would have just slapped the chain drive kit on it then. But what are you gonna do? So the other thing that I definitely want to do is get the quick detach kit for my Viking saddlebags. Right now they're obviously hard mount, and the mounts that they came with are, they're cheesy as shit, and two, I had to modify them to get them to fit on the bike, where I wanted the bag situated. They came with like a 6-inch long strut with 2 eyes at the end, and I had to cut 3 inches out of it and weld it back together to get the bags positioned where I wanted them. So, being that I have access to a welder and shit, it wasn't really that big of a deal. But I'm not too thrilled, with how the bag mounts to those struts. I feel it's pretty damn cheesy, and I think the quick detach kit mounts them up a little better. And not only that, I want to have basically a dual purpose bike where if I'm cruising around town, I can take the fairing off, take the bags off, and kind of have, whatever you want to call it, a stripped down Dyna. And then if I'm going on a longer ride, I would like to be able to toss the bags on and the fairing back on. So that way I basically have 2 bikes in one. Now, if I can't get this crater fairing to, the quick disconnect system, I can get it to work, I might look at a Memphis Shades Road Warrior fairing. I really hope I don't have to go that route because they are expensive to set up. I think the fairing itself is like $200. The windshield's like another $100. The mounting kit's like another $180. So all said and done, you're at like, I don't know, over $400 for that. So we'll see how it works out, and I'll take you guys along for the ride. Other than that, there's no real big plans for this bike right now. Maybe some appearance stuff, black mirrors, black levers, and that's really probably about it. I did see the extended turn signal caps, and I think that's going to be one of the next mods that I do, because I got pretty damn short sausage fingers, and these aren't bad, but if I wear bigger gloves, it's a pain in the ass for me to reach my turn signals. You know, hashtag short people problems. But I think that's going to do it for this video. Like I said, it's going to be a short one. If you guys want to see something on the bike, let me know. I am going to be doing the five accessories that I put on this bike that I absolutely love. So stay tuned for that one. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. See ya.